Hey there guys, was just going for a cruise in my Skyline on a Friday night and thought I would throw some parts in.
What we're gonna do is some basic interior tuning. Call it Interior 101 for a Japanese shitbox. I got this Workspell quick release hub and this Workspell steering wheel hub. And I also got the super rare Nismo Group C steering wheel from this car. A Battlecraft Hyper Teardrop aluminum shift knob. And you can't have any Japanese shitbox without a Broadway mirror. So let's go unbox this stuff and get started. Alright guys, so we were able to get the horn button on, but it took a little longer than anticipated, but we were finally able to get it in. We just didn't want it to seat incorrectly, we wanted it to be seated properly. I still wanted to use the horn because the car is a street car. So now all we need to do is put the steering hub in, and then this will snap right into the car.
Sick.
That's our robot in the background. He's making noise, he makes and builds us stuff.
Alright, I'm gonna
His name's
stop
Paul.
this.
Alright, so we got the stock wheel out. Now comes the moment of truth. Alright, so let's just finish this up real quick, get the Battlecraft shift knob on here, and we'll be good to go. There we go, shift knob installed. Car Mechanic 100. The last piece. I thought I'd throw our little friend Cal up on the mirror as well, so he has a permanent home. Japanese shipbox interior 101. Beep, 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 beep. Get out of the way, jackass. Alright, so apparently there was just an earthquake, but we didn't even notice it. But we just connected the battery and the horn button works. Check it out. See, it works. 100% foolproof. Alright, so to finish up for tonight, we got everything on. Everything works perfectly for the most part. But I got some new coilovers coming in soon, new wheels, and a big brake kit that I'm looking very forward to. It might take some time for those videos to come out, but I really want you guys to keep following along with this build. It really means a lot to me. This has always been my dream car, and this is our first video working on this thing. It's gonna be a little shitty, but I hope you guys stick around and you see what we make of this car. I have a feeling this car is gonna get super crazy, super fast, and I just want you guys to all appreciate it and love it just as much as I do. Thanks guys, have a good one.